जीवन हमें एक मौका देता है, इसलिए जब भी सही कॉलेज चुनने का समय आए तो सिर्फ मंगलायतन यूनिवर्सिटी आपके बेहतरीन भविष्य और सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए।
Hello viewers, this is Simran Rajpal and you're watching Jagran Josh. Today we are diving into a significant and potentially controversial development in the world of higher education funding. The possibility of a $50 million deal between Trump administration and Brown University. This potential agreement, if it focuses on specific areas or is conditional upon certain policy shifts, could fundamentally change how federal funding is allocated to universities, especially concerning initiatives like diversity, equity and inclusion or DEI programs. For Brown University and its president, Christina Paxson, this would mean a substantial financial inclusion. However, if it comes with specific stipulations or expectations, it highlights a new dynamic in federal university relationships. It could represent a strategic shift in how federal grants are distributed. Brown President Christina Paxson has emphasized that this agreement would be voluntary and would not allow the government to control Brown's curriculum or academic freedom. She also noticed that supporting workforce development groups aligns perfectly with the Brown's goal of community service, which is also a key priority for the Trump administration. So, the question is, what's the financial impact? This $50 million deal would significantly boost Brown University's resources. These federal funds could be channeled into various areas such as research, infrastructure, student aid, or specific academic programs. However, the true financial impact depends entirely on any conditions or stipulations lied to these funds. These conditions could potentially influence Brown's spending plans and budget allocations. Looking ahead, this hypothetical deal could signal a future where federal grants come with more explicit conditions tied to ideological or policy stances, particularly concerning DEI programs. Other higher education institutions might face similar pressures to align with federal directives to secure funding. This might prompt universities to re-evaluate their approaches to diversity initiatives, potentially leading them to seek alternative funding sources or adjust program structures to maintain federal support. In conclusion, a $50 million funding deal from a Trump administration to Brown University would be much more than just a financial transaction. It would be a powerful statement regarding federal grants and future direction of higher education institutions. This scenario truly underscores the evolving relationship between the government funding and university autonomy, especially in sensitive areas like DEI programs. The implications would certainly resonate throughout the academic world, sparking widespread discussion on the delicate balance between financial support and institutional independence. What are your thoughts on this funding? Do let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and share it and subscribe to Jagran Josh for more such valuable content. Thank you for watching.